In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare WARP disconnected. If the Cloudflare WARP app shows disconnected or refuses to connect, follow along. Start by opening the Cloudflare WARP app on your device to check its status. If it looks connected already, go ahead and disconnect. This quick toggle clears the tunnel and forces a fresh handshake. Give it a short pause, about 3 seconds, to let your network release the old session. Then press connect to start a new connection. Watch for the status to change in the app. Next, confirm that your internet actually works with WARP on. Open a website you trust in your browser. Avoid cached pages. Pick something that clearly refreshes. If the page loads quickly, you're set. If it doesn't load, return to WARP and continue. From the main screen, open Settings. Inside Settings, choose Connection Mode. Here you can switch between WARP, WARP Plus, and DOH. WARP sends your traffic through Cloudflare for privacy and reliability. WARP Plus uses optimized paths for potentially faster routing. DOH, or DNS over HTTPS, only secures DNS lookups without tunneling all traffic. Changing modes can sidestep a routing or handshake issue. Pick a different mode, confirm the selection, and return to the main screen. Fully close the app so it isn't running, then reopen it. This restarts the client with your updated settings. Back on the home screen, press connect again and give it a moment to establish the tunnel. Check the status and try a website again. If it still fails to connect after that, remove the WARP application from your PC. Uninstalling clears corrupted files or stuck configurations that a restart won't fix. You may be asked for administrator permission, and your local preferences may reset, which is expected. When the uninstall finishes, download a fresh copy from the official Cloudflare website and reinstall. Using the official source ensures you get the latest stable build. Open the app, press connect, and confirm browsing works. That's the process. Toggle, test, switch modes, restart, and reinstall if needed. You should now be back online with WARP.